Born in the heart of the decentralized metropolis, Bitia Byte was a coding prodigy who discovered the world of cryptocurrencies early on. Fueled by a desire for financial freedom and privacy, she developed cutting-edge blockchain technologies. Bitia Byte became a legendary figure in the crypto underworld, offering her services to those seeking to escape the watchful eyes of the centralized authorities, all while rocking a signature neon jacket adorned with crypto symbols. Hailing from the remnants of a burnt-out city, Ethereum Amber survived the chaos of a crypto war that ravaged her hometown. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology, she rebuilt her community on the principles of decentralization and resilience. Ethereum Amber is a beacon of hope, using her crypto knowledge to empower the disenfranchised and ignite a spark of change in the digital frontier. Nova Nolan, a talented digital artist, embraced the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to reclaim the value of her creations. Using her cybernetic enhancements, NFT Nova showcases her unique art in the virtual realm, challenging the conventional art industry. With her own gallery on the blockchain, she encourages artists to break free from traditional constraints and tokenize their creativity for a borderless audience. Rain Rutherford, aka Ripple Rain, was a financial analyst disillusioned by the inequalities perpetuated by traditional banking systems. Turning to crypto, she became a pioneer in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Ripple Rain now leads a group of rebels dedicated to liberating financial transactions from centralized control, all while sporting a holographic tattoo that mirrors the fluctuating values of the crypto market. These cyberpunk girls seamlessly blend their crypto expertise with their rebellious spirits, creating a dynamic and futuristic narrative within the crypto-driven dystopia they call home. Please subscribe to the channel and follow this girls in their journey in Blockchain City.